High in the mountains of SIQUIJOR, a secret sleeps. Cang-agong, a small village in the Philippines, rests quietly. It waits for the world to see its beauty. From the ground, it appears humble. Simple homes and winding paths are all you see. But a drone's eye tells a different story. From above, Cang-agong comes alive. Lush greenery explodes in every direction. Emerald rice paddies shimmer in the sun. Coconut palms stand tall, like guardians of the village. The afternoon light casts a golden glow on the scene. It is a vision of peace and tranquility. The drone soars higher, revealing the heart of Cang-agong. Traditional wooden houses with thatched roofs dot the landscape. They seem to whisper stories of generations past. Winding dirt paths connect the homes. They look like ribbons, weaving through the tapestry of the village. In the distance, Mount Bandilaan stands majestically. Its peak seems to touch the clouds. An observation tower sits atop the mountain, a silent sentinel. From this vantage point, one can witness the true splendor of Cang-agong. Below, the village basks in the warm embrace of the sun. Cang-agong is part of Barangay Ibabao, a bustling community in SIQUIJOR. Ibabao is home to around 8,000 people, many of whom work as farmers or fishermen. Life here is simple yet deeply rewarding. The people of Ibabao are known for their warm hospitality and infectious smiles. But SIQUIJOR is an island of many faces. Each barangay has its own unique charm. Cang-alwang boasts stunning beaches and crystal-clear waters. Cantabon is famous for its ancient Balete tree said to be home to mystical creatures. San Antonio is a bustling town, while Cang-asa offers breathtaking sunsets. SIQUIJOR is more than just an island. It is a feeling. It is a place where time slows down, worries fade away, replaced by the gentle rhythm of island life. From the drone's perspective, we see the island's true essence. It is a tapestry woven from vibrant communities, breathtaking landscapes, and a serene atmosphere. As the drone descends, we carry a piece of SIQUIJOR in our hearts. It is a reminder that beauty can be found in the simplest of things, in the warmth of the sun, in the smiles of the people, and in the gentle sway of the coconut palms. SIQUIJOR, once a secret, is now a memory we will cherish forever.